Good morning, my special children. I'm missing you so much, but now, today, you can see me and I know you're looking at me. So, remember that we did a lot of sums last week and you're working very hard. But now you must remember, we are going to do the same type of sums, but we're going to do it in story sums. We call it story sums, we call it word problems, or sum. You know what is the story? The story sums read like that. Dad planted 25 flowers, right? Dad plants 25 flowers. There's the flowers. He planted 25 flowers. But he forgot to water them. So 13 of that 25 flowers died or wilted. 13 of them. So, are you going to use plus, minus, divide? So, what? Yes, of course, you're going to use minus. So 25, now remember what you have learned, kids, to break down the numbers. It will make it much more easy for you. So you keep the one number whole, you break down the 13. So when you break down 13, remember it's 1 10 and 3 ones. That plus means 10 plus 3. That gives you 13. Now you must remember that we're going to take away that 3 just now. So what is 25 minus 10? It gives you 15. By now I hope you know that 10 plus 15 is 25. We counted in tens a lot. So 15. Now remember, that plus is going to change to a minus, because that minus, there's minus 3 there. So 15 minus 3 gives you 12. Right. That is quite easy. I think you know that. But what happens if there is, instead of a 5, there is a 0? Now, you can't take 3 away if you don't have nothing. So let's take another sum. Matt has got 50 marbles. Matt has got 50 marbles. At break time, he plays with his friend and he loses 13. Right. He loses 13. What are we going to do now? We keep 50 whole, and we break down 13. So, let's put it in brackets. 10 plus 3 gives us 13. It's going to be hard now because there is a 0. This is, remember, tens and ones. This is tens and ones. Now you have to borrow. But instead of going to borrow now, I'm going to show you a much more easy way. Now we say 50 minus that 10 there. If we take away that whole 10 from 50, it gives you 40. Now, that plus, remember, it is a minus. It changes to a minus here, and we say 40 minus 3, and what is that? 30. You can count back, or you can look on your number chart. 40 minus 3 is 37. And that is your answer. Now remember, 37 what? 37 monkeys, 37 donkeys, 37 apples. Remember, a story sum must always have a word or an extended sentence. So we write there 37 marbles. It must always have a word there, because that is what they ask you. How many marbles has Matt got left? Now children, please remember, do your counting and do your sums. Have a nice day.